Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have never done this before, but I wanted to do it with you guys so we could see how this works. It's the Dollar Tree screen guard. Like I said, I've bought these before from an actual shop, but they're like $10 to $12, $8 to $12. So this one's only $1. I thought I'd give it a try. And so I've got my iPhone here, and it comes with this little guy and an alcohol pad, and I've heard that that is the part that means the most if you want to get it on correctly. So we're gonna tear this little guy open, get that alcohol pad out of there, clean everything. It's really actually kind of dry, so I'm sure that's not how it's supposed to be, but I'm going to use it anyways, because then after I do that, I'm going to go over it with this little dust cloth. And so getting rid of the dust is what we're trying to accomplish here before we put anything on, because that is what creates the bubbles. So I'm just looking, and I could kind of see, and it doesn't look like I have any of the bubbles. This is just a little like squeegee type thing to get it on. And then let's take this off. There's a little, it says peel off this mask before the application. So it looks like there is a piece on here. And there we go. We're going to take that off. And this side looks like it has a little bit of dust, but I don't think that matters. In fact, I think I moved that. Okay. So we want to line this up because we need to be able to have all of this going in there correctly. And then line everything up as straight as possible. And then take that little squeegee. You're supposed to be able to, there it goes. I don't know if you could see it, but it's kind of self-healing. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. Yeah, it's self-healed, not healed, but self-stuck. So, looks like there's a little piece here that did not self-stick. But when you push it down, it did. So it looks like we're good. Now let's see if I did this okay for the finger. Yep. All right. So that's it. Now it's time to see if it works, because it is a tempered glass. Hopefully it works just as well as the ones you get in the shop. But it's a nice little protection for $1, and then you can just put your other right on here. And we are good to go. Look at that. All right. If you like that, please give me a big thumbs up. I say go ahead, grab one of these. It's the right size, it fits well. So I'm good to go. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.